Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Instant Subtitles Zeemo application walkthrough. So if you're looking for an application that can help you caption or add subtitles to a video, then Zeemo is for you. All you have to do is go to zeemo.com and then create an account using your Google, Facebook, email. And for me, the easiest way is to connect my Zeemo to my Google account. So I'm going to tap on sign up with Google account and then wait for a couple of seconds, select the specific account that you want to connect. And here it is. So you just have to take a little or three surveys, but everything is up to you. Then after that, submit. So this is what it looks like. This is Zeemo. And what you're going to do here is to just upload or add the video that you want to add subtitles or caption. As you can see, there is this limit for the access for the features. So if you want to upgrade your plan, just tap on upgrade. You can compare the features that you can unlock. You can compare if you're using the basic version and if you want to upgrade your plan. So you can see everything here. You can also see the cost per plan. So once you have chosen that, then you can go back and start using Zeemo. But for the sake of this tutorial, we will be using the basic version or the free version only. To start, you're going to upload the video or create your project. So make sure that your video is ready. So all you have to do is upload from your device. Or you can also paste that if you want to get that video from somewhere. You can copy the URL and paste it right here. As you can see, in order for you to start, you can look for the language that you want to add. You can just basically scroll down here and then look for that language that you want to add here for your subtitles for your caption. There are tons of languages that you can use or you can tap here in the option. So there are two things here, spoken and translated language. So if you want to translate that to French, let's just say, you just have to look or search for that here. As you can see, to proceed, you need one coin or credit in order for you to proceed with your project. So basically, this is what it looks like. And then again, if you want to paste or if you want to copy that URL from a specific website, you can also do that. So either you can upload your file or video or you can paste that URL here in Zeemo. So as you can see, aside from that, you can also add some stickers. If you want to add stickers, if you want to add emojis, you just have to simply toggle this one on. If you want to highlight a content or if you want to separate speakers, you can toggle this one on. And you could also tap on this advanced settings if you want. So as you can see, if you want to customize or if you want to basically edit this with the following, then you can proceed but another credit. So you can continue if you want. So again, I'm going to upload a file or it's up to you if you want to paste the URL right here to proceed. So basically, once you have chosen your language, like you have your spoken language and also the translated language, then you can proceed with editing your caption or your subtitles. As you can see, you just have to wait for that for a couple of minutes and you will see this one. On the left side, you can see different features that you can use. So you can skip the tutorials if you want. Tap on skip tutorials and it will show you your caption right here. So the good thing about Inzimo is that if you see something wrong or if there is a mistake in the caption or subtitle, all you have to do is to click that, then remove or add something here. Let's just say spelling or any word that is not matched to the voiceover. You can just basically delete or remove that. Aside from adding or removing letter or words, you can also change the font style. You can highlight, you can change the font size, you can also change the style of your words or captions here because Zeemo has its own template. And if you want to change the style of your caption or subtitles, all you have to do is click on the style right here, and Zeemo will show you a couple of templates that you can choose. Also, as you can see, I can change the font style, font size, and you can also change a specific font style or font size per paragraph or per subtitle. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. There are tons of templates that you can choose. You can change the color. Okay, everything is up to you. So once you're done, and then you can go back and again add and edit your caption. As easy as that. So here also on the left side, aside from templates, there are also other features that you can use. For example, if you want to add more text, if you want to add more elements, and if you want to add audio, you can see it right here. There's also choices for the template, like if you want dynamic, basic, and so on. So all you have to do is go to the left side and then you can look for the better way on how to enhance or on how to be creative with your project. There's also B-roll here in Zeemo. You just have to go to the search icon and then look for that specific word, for example, shoe or whatever you want. You just have to search it right here and then add. And you can also add subscription if you want. So basically that's it. That's how easy it is. All you have to do is to create an account, add the video, add and remove words here to make a wonderful and perfect caption. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.